DIY cardboard object videos are getting millions of views across social media right now, and this niche is still far from saturated. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos like these completely free using AI. But before we get into it, I noticed something. Around 83% of the people watching my videos still haven't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and helps the channel more than you'd think. I've created a master prompt that generates both unique video ideas and detailed production prompts. First, copy the master prompt. Head over to Perplexity, paste the prompt, and press enter. Perplexity instantly generates multiple DIY cardboard object ideas. If you want more unique ideas, simply type Godzilla and press enter. It will generate a fresh set of ideas along with a detailed video prompt. Next, copy the generated video prompt and head over to OpenArt. Go to the Video tab and select Text to Video. This is Video Generation page. Choose your preferred video generation model. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Video resolution 720. Choose a 15-second video duration. Adjust any other settings if needed and click Generate. Within a few minutes, once the video is ready, review the result. You'll get realistic cardboard textures, smooth camera movements, natural lighting, and high-quality visuals that look professionally produced. Repeat the same workflow with different ideas to create unlimited DIY cardboard videos. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe to the Flow AI for more AI workflows and viral content ideas.